Elusive, agile, and with an ability to vanish in the blink of an eye, cats are the ultimate masters of the disappearing act. At around 15 kilograms and standing at about 40 centimeters, this small feline, larger than a tabby cat, may closely resemble her domesticated relatives. But this Asian fishing cat has a gift that sets her apart. Unlike most small cats, she hunts in water. She eyes her prize, fish. Not fast enough. This is the forest region of Huai Ka Keng. And together with its neighbouring reserve, it is the largest protected wildlife area in mainland Southeast Asia. With only around 2,500 fishing cats remaining in the wild, this forest is one of the few remaining habitats for these remarkable creatures.